was a dreary night of November. With an anxiety that almost amounted to agony, I collected the instruments of life around me, that I might infuse a spark of being into the lifeless thing that lay at my feet. It was already 1 in the morning. The rain pattered dismally against the panes and my candle was nearly burnt out, when, by the glimmer of the half-extinguished light, I saw the dull yellow eye of the creature open.
She's walking, she is anticipating her first drink, and the thought of it makes her speed up. And she's walking, and she's thinking about how she is paying for a gym membership and she never actually uses it.
She's walking.
She's walking, and she's thinking about her ex, and how she's not going to bring him tonight no matter what happens, because she's walking.
But this child was unlike any other. This child did not cry like a newborn, but instead it had an unlikely and unusual way. Fearing the freakish child, the child's mother sold the baby to a circus who were travelling through the nearby towers.
Don't you remember what it said on the golden tickets? Said Mr. Wonka. Every child goes home with a lifetime supply of who is to blame? The government? The bankers? Mother? We're all going back to live in